Ito lang sinabi ng mom ko, you show up for work every day. You show up no matter gaano kapuyat ka, gaano kapagod ka, kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan sa personal na buhay, a-appear ka. That's already 80% of the battle. The next is, you treat your people well. Yung Chris TV staff ko, we're together practically 24/7. Doon sa Aquino and Abunda, they've been with me since the buzz started. And kung bibilangin ko yung taon nun, the buzz, Boy and I started that in the year 1999. So, baka mas mas mahaba pa ng more than half, actually 2/3 siguro ng mga buhay ninyo. When you get along with the people you work with and you give them affirmations, sumisipag sila. Eventually, alam ko lahat kayo, magkakaroon kayo ng mga empleyado. So alam ko na kailangan ipasok nyo sa mga sarili ninyo, na kailangan iangat nyo sila, kasi pag inaangat nyo sila, kayong lahat aangat.